This is Miss Luke, and I'm going over the Big 7 strategy with decimals. We are dividing 214 and 4/10 by 67. 214 and 4/10 is our dividend. 67 is our divisor. And we are trying to find the quotient, the answer. So we're going to set up our problem, set up our Big 7, put 214 and 4/10 in the middle and 67 on the outside. We're going to make our list of multiples. That's going to help us with our division. So we're going to do 67 times 1 times 2 and times 3. 67 times 1 is 67. 67 times 2 is 134. And 67 times 3 is 201. We're not going to go any higher than 67 times 3 because 201 is really close to the number we're dividing up, 214 and 4/10. That's as close as we're going to be getting with multiples of 67. So we're going to do 67 times 3 is 201 and subtract those three groups of 67 from 214 and 4/10. When we're subtracting, we want to make sure we line up our decimals. So I'm just going to draw a line to help me line them up correctly. 4 minus 0 is 4, 4 minus 1 is 3, 1 minus 0 is 1, and 2 minus 2 is 0. So I'm left with 13 and 4/10. Now, there are no multiples of 67, 1, 2, or 3, that gets as low as 13 and 4/10. So instead, I'm going to multiply 67 by 1/10, 2/10, and 3/10. Now that's going to be really easy to do because we're just going to move our decimal to help us multiply by 1/10. So we're just going to move the decimal over one place. So 67 times 1/10 is 6 wholes and 7/10. We're going to move the decimal over one place, so 67 times 2/10 is 13 and 4/10. Moving decimal again, 67 times 3/10 is 20 and 1/10. We can see right here that 67 times 2/10 is 13 and 4/10, which is exactly the number we need, so that's what we're going to use. So 67 times 2/10 is 13 and 4/10, and subtract. Lining up our decimals always when we subtract with decimals. We get 0, and that's exactly where we want to get, so we can get our answer. Once you're down to 0, you can stop and just add up the numbers on the side. 3 wholes plus 2/10. Make sure you line up your decimals. 2/10 plus 0/10 is 2/10, and 3 wholes plus 0 wholes is 3 wholes. So our final answer is 3 wholes and 2/10.